Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Iron Time. My name is Jennifer, and my name is Brian. Should we start, Brian?
Oh, Jonathan, let's shout!
Okay, boys and girls, today we are going to go to a Pacific Island.
Oh, Jonathan, I've always wanted to go to a Pacific Island. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you, Jonathan.
So, what Pacific Island should we go to? Should we go to Samoa?
Oh, Jonathan, Samoa? Oh, Laos, never to do. I've always wanted to go to Samoa. Oh, I'm so excited, Jonathan. Wow.
Allora facciamo con male